Good morning, everybody. Ignore my hair because I still have to properly brush it and put it into like a proper ponytail. I don't actually wear my hair like this, I promise. So it is a -4 degrees Fahrenheit today, which is obviously way too cold to go for a walk. So mi madre is coming over shortly, and we are gonna go for a walk in my local mall just to get some exercise and cruise around. We're not spending any money because, you know, I have a new baby coming and I'm not one of those rich YouTubers that can just like spend, although I wish I was. Blakey's got her little pigtails in today and her little unicorn shirt and her star pants. Do you want to say hi? She's gonna be a little shy. You say hello. Elmo's not on, honey. We watch Elmo's World and Sesame Street every morning, so a lot of times she'll point to the TV and go, Elmo, Elmo, and I say, he's not on right now. Is he? No. So I'm 31 weeks pregnant today, and feeling pretty good. Although today I got another Braxton Hicks contraction, and it's funny because this time I feel like they're different than they were with Blake. Are you blowing your nose? She literally will just like walk around blowing her nose even though she doesn't have tissue. It's so funny. 31 weeks pregnant today, and I have, yeah, my Braxton Hicks contractions. Sometimes I forget that they're contractions because I'll just be like, oh, my stomach's so tight today. Oh no, no kitty cats on there. And I'm like, why is my stomach so tight? And then I'm like, oh yeah, Braxton Hicks contractions. Like I almost forget what it is and I'm like, what's wrong with me? So it's just this time around more of like a super, super tight feeling in my stomach. And also in my lower back, which is not fun. But you know, it almost feels like when you have anxiety, it's kind of like that because it's just like this like grippingly tight feeling. Look at her. Are you sleeping? Oh, thank you. Whose daughter is she, y'all? Like seriously. Are you cleaning the mess? You cleaning the mess? Thank you. I thought that today too, I mean, I'm gonna put this into a separate video, but I would film what I'm eating to manage my gestational diabetes, and I want to do a separate video on that because I've learned a lot of things that work for my body and things that just did not work for me. So if any of you are suffering from that, I really want to do a video just so I can like give you tips and stuff that I've learned along the way, because I think that'll be really helpful. One of which is like a new, it's kind of like a supplement, it's not really a supplement, but a new thing I've been doing, and it's keeping my blood sugar lower, which is awesome. So would like to point out that at this point in my pregnancy with Blake, I was gonna say last year, I wasn't pregnant this time last year. Whoa, you're so strong. I had gained 34, 35 pounds at this point with Blake, and right now I'm only at 28 pounds. So that's better, and I'm not like gaining a pound a week. Like it's kind of staying the same, or I'll go up half a pound and the next week I go down. So I don't think I'll gain another 10 pounds before she gets here. You never know. She might go through a growth spurt. I'm fine if I do, but who knows? We'll see. Look what came in the mail today, or yesterday. I'm so excited. Colin's gonna build this when he gets home. He's flying in from Calgary at some point today. Not too sure when, but this is the stool, and I'm super excited. It looks like it's really good quality, and I can't wait to set it up for B. Question for all of you subscribers of mine. I feel like I'm getting this mixed up. Is it Marie Kondoing your house or KonMari? I've heard both. I don't know which is which. I'm talking about the one where you like extreme organize, and if there's things that don't give you joy, you throw them out. Is it the same thing? Am I just saying it wrong? Did I make up a word with KonMariing? Help me. We're at the mall. Say hi. We're at the mall. We're gonna walk around. It's freezing outside. Is that Mama and Blakey? Woo! When my mom and I were at H&M, I got Blake 3 dresses for summer because she has 0 summer clothes right now, and these were buy 3 for the price, or get 3 for the price of 2. So all 3 dresses came to $24 Canadian after tax, and this is in the size 1.5 to 2 years. And then the next size up is 2 to 4, but the 2 to 4 looked massive. And even this would be a bit big on her now, so I think the 1.5 to 2 will fit her fine. So this is the first one. It's just really cute with the little daisies, and then she got another navy blue one with the silver sparkle heart. I thought that was cute, and like they have a stretchy waist and they're pretty big. Like I don't think this will still fit her in the summer. And then just this pale pink one with a little silver apple I thought was really cute. So just some nice dresses. And then my mom, I have to organize this again. My mom got her 3 pairs of shorts for the summer because they were kind of the same deal, but my mom got all 3 pairs of shorts for $12.99, which is really good. So I find it's better to, like, instead of buying like 200 or spending $200 in like one lump sum, sometimes it's easier on the wallet if you just get like $25 worth or whatever here and there. That way by the time summer arrives, you know, she's got enough stuff, but it's not like you're not overwhelmed with how much you've spent or whatever. So anyways, my mom just left. It's 1:30. I just put B to bed 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna have a little rest and I will talk to you later. B and I had a nap and I'm going crazy right now because I really want to make a keto sugar-free cheesecake. So I found a recipe. I was pretty sure I had stevia. I do not have stevia. So now I've got my ingredients in here and I'm wondering what I can add to sweeten it. Obviously sugar or honey, but I don't want to add too much. So I'm gonna look up what has more sugar, honey or sugar. And then I might just put in like a 1/4 cup in the whole cake, because I'm thinking if there's a 1/4 cup in an entire cake, you're not really getting that much sugar in the, like, in a piece. So leave it with me and I'll let you know. Okay, so I called my mom and she said to add a little bit more vanilla for some flavor and use the syrup that I have because it's sugar-free, or no sugar added, sorry. You okay, baby girl? She's getting hungry, I think. I just have some mac and cheese on the stove for her. It's this butter flavored syrup. So for 3 tablespoons, it's got 13 sugar. So I'm gonna use a 1/3 cup because my mom was like, if you put a 1/3 cup in a whole cake and you cut it into 8 pieces, you're not really getting, you're getting about 8 to 10 sugar and 8 to 10 carbs. So you should be fine. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna bake it and let you know how it turns out. After the whole cheesecake fiasco, it's in the oven right now. It's got 37 minutes to go. Pray for me that it turns out. It smells really good. I'm just making myself an omelet. So I've got 2 whole eggs, a ton of egg whites, a cup of spinach, cheese, and pepper. And I might throw some green onion in there as well. And Blakey is having squash and macaroni and cheese. It is such a random dinner night. I may have made too much. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna eat half of this because I'm not even hungry, so yeah. Looks pretty good. So now I have to chill it before I can eat it. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge right now. Fun toys. Where's the train? Good girl. Where's the ball? Good girl. And the duck. Good job. What's behind Sophie's garden gate? Oh, we go like this. Ready? Where's the butterfly? Good girl, flower. And strawberry. Good girl. What's behind Sophie's armchair? Where's the picture? Good girl. Where's the table? Table. That's the table. And that's the toy brick. Are you blowing bubbles? She's blowing bubbles into that. You're so funny. Okay, I'm gonna have you up here because I'm just in my sports bra right now, but I am experiencing the worst dry skin this pregnancy. Like that, I think I told you guys in my pregnancy video that I had like a rash all on the back of my thighs, the side of my thighs, and my butt. And I think it's just from severe like dry skin, but it's also a bit of a rash too. And it's like so sore. And like even just my skin in general, like my hands are like flaking and like my knuckles. And I put cream on every night. So I just tried, if you guys have any recommendations of a really good cream to like for like incredibly dry skin. I use this Simply Earth almond oil everywhere, and then I've been using this St. Ives, but it's not really doing the trick, to be honest. Oh my god, my butt is like, it almost looks like windburn, and it feels like windburn on my butt and my legs. Like it looks like windburn, and it feels like tiny little scratches everywhere. Like it's pretty, I'd show you, but but I don't want to show you my butt because, you know, that'd be a little weird. I love y'all, but that's a whole other level of like TMI. So at least like my belly and my arms aren't too bad, but my legs and my feet were like literally like flaking, like so bad. I know that's gross, but like I didn't have that with Blake. Mind you, I was pregnant in the summer with her, not in the winter, so maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know, but it's terrible. Anyways, I'm gonna go because now my butt hurts. It's like stinging because I just put cream on. That is just what it feels like to have diaper rash, because it's not fun. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.